Cancer is probably the leading cause of death and certainly disability right now in the fire service. We've lost so many of our family members, our brothers and sisters in the fire service to cancer, and it seems to have exponentially increased over the last decade. This project came to us through a friend who came to us and asked us, is there things that the firefighters can use in the form of research with our universities to help make them safer in the workplace? We were able to come together with our friends from the U of A and Dr. Burgess with the great work that he's doing there to lower the incidence of cancer from workplace exposures.
We know that firefighters have an increased risk of cancer, and really the question is now, what can we do to reduce that risk? This particular project will be unique in that it is looking specifically at their PFAS, the forever chemical exposures, and seeing if we can reduce the levels in their body and therefore reduce their cancer risks. So we are going to enroll at least 1,500 firefighters across the state. We will measure PFAS in the blood of all of those firefighters and report it back to them. Firefighters with high PFAS levels will be offered enrollment in a study looking at blood or plasma donation to see whether we can reduce their PFAS levels and therefore their disease risk. If the giving blood and plasma effectively lowers the PFAS levels in the firefighters and also reduces markers of other risk in their body, like I said, like cancer or cardiovascular effects, then this is something that we would be able to recommend to firefighters across the country and across the world.
The impact of this research and the ability to really prevent those cancers from ever taking hold is absolutely enormous.
Firefighters are out there to protect us. And so we owe it to the firefighters to help them find ways to protect themselves, to make the job as safe as possible.